Hello friends. In our earlier video, we learned how to program a vehicle using Arduino commands. In this video, we will write one program to move the vehicle in square fashion using the Arduino commands. So first let's write the pin modes. We know all the pin modes have to be output and we have total 6 pins. So 235 for left motor, 476 for right motor. Now to move in a square fashion, I first need to move forward, then take a turn, move again forward, take a turn, move forward, take a turn, move forward, take a turn and stop. So let me write first the code for forward. And for forward, we need left motor to move in anti-clockwise direction, right motor to move in clockwise direction. For left motor, pin numbers 2, 3 are direction pins, pin number 5 is speed pin. For right motor, pin number 4 and 7 are direction pins and pin number 6 is speed pin. So for direction pins, we'll use digital right. For speed pin, we'll use analog right. This moves the left motor in anti-clockwise fashion. And we give speed, left motor is done, and similarly we will do it for right motor. Right motor needs clockwise, so 4 high and 7 low. So that starts moving forward. Then we need to give delay. We'll give delay of, let's say, 2 seconds, which is 2000 milliseconds. And after that, we need to turn right. So I'll just copy this, paste here and make the necessary changes. For hard right turn, what we need is the left motor should move forward and right motor should move backward. Left motor forward, this is already moving forward, left motor. Anti-clockwise is forward. Right motor right now is clockwise, which is moving forward, but we want right motor to move reverse. So we will change the polarity. That will start the hard right turn. And we need a certain amount of delay to complete 90 degrees turn. And that we have seen is around 300 milliseconds. So this has completed one arm. Move forward, turn. And such 4 arms we need. So I have repeated this 4 times. So 4 arms of the square are done, and now we want to stop the vehicle. For stopping the vehicle, I will again make a copy of this. Polarity of the direction pins should be same. I've kept them low so that applies the brake, and we'll make the speed 0. That stops the vehicle. So this code is now going to move the vehicle in a square fashion. Forward for 2 seconds, went ahead, then right turn for 300 milliseconds, that is a 90-degree turn. Then again forward for 2 seconds and right turn for 300 milliseconds. The second arm, third arm, fourth arm. And now we have reached our original point, so we stop. So this is the program to move the vehicle in a square fashion using Arduino commands.